Should I buy CoolTech Technologies Inc. stock? Cool Technologies closed the session of the 19th of March 2021 at $0.79. Since the last time we brought you a video concerning Cool Technologies Inc., the stock was down at $0.044. And we don't have any position in Cool Technologies. We also have to give credit to Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is the provider of this content we're using. Charles Schwab is by far the best platform out there. Research tools by far the most advanced, the most up to date, and the most encompassing. Give it a try and see how it goes. So we're moving down. We can see that Cool Technologies is correcting within a longer term bullish trend. You can see that it's correcting. So it was at $0.09 as at the 18th of March and closed down to $0.079 as at the 19th, which is a correction now. So it's correcting within a longer term bullish trend. This is the longer term bullish trend. This is the 200-day trend line, and its MACD we can see down here is above zero and rising. We can also see that momentum is also improving and advancing, and it's above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought, indicating that maybe there's optimism there. We can also see the unbalanced volume indicator is also bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So moving up, we can see that, yes, as we pointed out, at some point when we covered this video, it was at $0.44. Yes, I think so. Somewhere around there. So since that time, it has more than doubled, I believe, and retraced a bit further now. So the question is, should you buy Cool Technologies? You can see it has a market cap of $34.8 million. The stock is definitely involved in some innovative stuff. So we don't have any fresh news concerning it. So moving down, we can see Cool Technologies. This is the 1 minute chart. You can see it closed down bearish, trading closed down below all of its short-term trend, all of its trend lines. You can see the momentum is also flat. Definitely nothing left there. You can see the MACD is also signaling a sell as well. So in the short term, it's presenting a buying opportunity because obviously we saw that it was correcting. So having a correction is good. You can see that it's good, and we even want much more. So we can see it's correcting. It ticked over. So but in the long term, it's still a buy signal. It's still, you can see that it's a buy signal. That MACD is still bullish. The momentum has also lost some steam as well, but still very much bullish, going by its figure, not just going by the chart itself. So I would say going by this long term or daily chart, I would prefer to see a better retracement. I prefer to see a better correction. I would prefer to see it at least trading below its short-term trend lines, but it has corrected. The sentiment around it is very, very positive, and the fundamentals, I believe, are also right. So if you want to take the correction that has currently occurred within this time frame, if you want to take it as a positive to jump in, by all means do so, but I would say just be cautious and see how things proceed and see if it's going to correct any further, because as it's gradually getting popular, certain market participants will jump on it to start shorting it, will start drumming out the negativity, and the more sophisticated ones might even try to publish and disclose a few things about it. So I would say in the short term, just hold on and see how things go. I might be totally wrong. It might begin to extend from this $0.79, but fundamentally it is definitely a buy. But in the short term, yes, it's also presenting a buying opportunity. But in the longer term, based on what things or how things have panned out, based on this daily chart we are currently looking at. I'm just saying, just observe and see how things go. So fundamentally and in the short term, it's a buy, but the bigger picture, it says just hold on a bit. So I would just say, even though it has corrected, it has still not corrected. It has still not corrected within comfortable levels. I would just say hold on, observe, and see how things go, and see if it's going to pull back any further before we jump in. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.